Namaste to all. Highlights from the month of March. Robotic exhibition March 1st. Students shone brightly at the robotics exhibition hosted by the Shohan Academy for its fourth annual day celebrations. They proudly showcased their innovative gesture controlled servo motors project, a true testament to their creativity and technical prowess.
Orly Virtual Session, March 3rd. They embraced valuable insights from the virtual sessions led by Orly team on health and hygiene, as well as the crucial distinction between good touch and bad touch. The session fostered essential awareness of personal safety and well-being, empowering our students for a greater future.
Seeking blessings for board exams and annual exams. All students are preparing diligently with class 10 and classes 6 to 9 collectively seeking blessings for success. This significant spiritual movement has strengthened their resolve and confidence. The issuance of hall tickets to class 10th marks the beginning of an important academic milestone that will pave the way for future achievements.
Sai Seva Sangh celebrate Women's Day, March 8th. The staff at Sai Seva Sangh celebrated International Women's Day, honoring their incredible strength, resilience, and contribution of their members.
Vocational stall at Microsoft. Sai Seva Sangh recently launched a vocational stall at Microsoft's office, showcasing the exceptional talents of artisans through handcrafted products. This initiative highlighted their creativity and emphasized the importance of vocational training and self-sustainability.
A refreshing retreat for SSC students. Before their SSC board exams, the students embraced a nature trek at Deccan Woods and Trails, surrounded by lush greenery and fresh air. The trek provided a vital pause from their studies and allowing the students to refresh their minds and rejuvenate their spirits.
5K Run on Women's Day. Students embraced the spirit of community and health by participating in a 5K run organized by the Avani organization at Tulasivanam. Inspired by the presence of Jupalli Krishna Rao, an esteemed Indian politician, Prohibition and Excise Minister of Telangana, they celebrated Women's Day in a powerful and meaningful way.
For more updates, like, share, and subscribe.
Sai Seva Sangh. Thank you.